at one level, the discourse is we need more generalists that have these kinds of project management skills, these system integration skills. But on the other hand, when you looked at the actual job postings, the level of technical specifications for what's needed has been growing exponentially. So that example is not just CAD/CAM systems that you have to be expert in, but a certain generation. So it's almost like those two accounts go in diametrically opposed directions.
That's right.
The real demand is out there for extremely highly trained specialists, but educational institutions are arguing that we need more cross-training of business skills and technical skills.
And I don't have my arms around it, and I think that, there's probably both needs, and so, this sort of blunt instrument that we have of saying we need more of one,
right,
or the other, I don't think makes sense.
Right. So you talk to the businesses and you say, what skills do you need? What's in demand? And they'll give us a list. And then you go to the educators and you say, well, what do you think, thinking longer term than these folks are, universities or engineering groups, and they're going to give a different answer from the supply side that's longer term perhaps and emphasizes different things. And so like you say, is the truth, it's not even necessarily in between. The truth might be something in a different domain or...
Right. I mean, if you talk to the educators, it's learning how to learn, it's learning how to adapt. If you talk to the business people, it's hit the ground running. We don't want to retrain these people. We don't need to, they need to be productive right away. And that's why I was trying to say that the labor market has shifted. In the old days, you went in and you got trained.
Yes.
Right? They didn't expect you straight out of college to be productive.
Yes.
Right? And you stayed with the company. They invested in you. You invested in them.
Right.
And that's changed. And is that then shift? Is that specific? Is there some specific consequences to engineering that's different as a job, as a set of tasks, than some other professions, where you've got this, relationship that used to be this nurturing, move up and learn these skills and everything else, and firm-specific skills and the like.
Right.
And now you broke that, and has the education system adapted to that, and can it adapt to that? So I don't know. I mean, I think it's a little bit more complicated with all of these things. And I don't have my arms around it.
I think it's partly sort of asking the right question.